38. What is the percent increase given the exponential function? Please remember a couple of things about exponential functions. They always are like this. They have one number here, and then they have another number here, and to the power of x, okay? This number is the y-intercept. So that should help you with this problem right here. What is the y-intercept? It's the number that does not have the power of x. It should also help you down here. What is the y-intercept? So you can do that yourself. And then the b helps you with the growth or the decay. Growth or decay. But notice it's 1.33 for this one. And this one says, what is the percent increase? So this tells us it's 1.33. Remember, that doesn't mean that it's like 133%. We definitely know it's growth. But remember how we talked about this is your phone battery. If your phone battery is over 100%, that means it's definitely increased by how much? How much over the 100? So this percent increase is 33%, all right? We talked about that before, so please understand. If you don't, you can do some IXL practice to help you. This one, what is the y-intercept? Okay, the y-intercept is not talking about this number. It's talking about the number that's next to it. You can even put this in Desmos if you really want to see where it touches the y-axis. The equation below represents exponential decay or growth. Well, you should be able to look at this number and see is it decay or growth, but if you can't, look at the graph. Type this in Desmos. Is the graph like this? Because if so, it's growth. If the graph is like this, then it's decay. Okay? Sometimes the numbers may trick you or you may forget, so type it in Desmos and either growth or decay. What is the y-intercept? Remember, I gave you an example of here of where to find the y-intercept. Or you can use Desmos. What is the equation of the asymptote? It's the same asymptote right here. Same asymptote because this is algebra 1. We don't get too fancy with these exponential decays and all the other type of graphs that have asymptotes, okay? Now, the table below, does it represent exponential decay or growth? Well, you need to put this table in Desmos. Here are your x's, here are your y's, and if the dots are going up like this, then it's going to be a growth type of graph. If the dots are going down like this, then it is decay. And you can do all of that yourself because you are Desmos experts. And that was a very quick video. Good luck on your finals.